Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And today we got Prado Design in the building, bringing the noise. As always, the guy continues to bring awesome watch faces to the table. If you have not checked out his page, check out his page. With that being said, listen, the name of the watch face is called Frontline. I thought my man did a really good job on this watch face. So far, it's something different, something new, and yes, the watch face is geared toward fitness, which is awesome. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design. It's going to be in a black and white theme, which looks really awesome. Now, once the watch face is on, you're going to get his logo, and I like the size of the logo. It doesn't overtake the watch faces like some developers do. Now, you will be able to tap into your shortcuts. You can go into setting an alarm, get your text messages, your music if you're on your run. You can also make a phone call. And everything that you can do in here is going to be done by a single tap, which is awesome. Now you're going to get your digital time in the center. Up at the top, you will get your month and your date, and also your calories burned info. Get your step info down at the bottom, along with your heart rate, along with your battery info. And yes, you're going to get info on floors climb right here at the top. Now you're going to get a couple of places where you're going to be able to set favorites. So if I tap on these lines or these dots right there, I can set a favorite there. I can also set a favorite here, which means that you can make the watch face just that much more convenient, which is definitely welcome to a watch face like this. Now if I tap into the moon phase, I can go into, of course, my weather, which is important to me. I can go into my battery info. All the shortcuts and information on here, you can single tap and go right into it at will. So I thought my man did an excellent job on this watch face. Again, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'm going to leave the link to this watch face in the description box down below. Don't miss out on it. And if I double tap in the center, I could change the color theme of the watch face. Now you get several colors to change to, and they all look awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.